Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule team meetings with Dola AI in 2026. Scheduling a team meeting can sometimes take several steps, especially when you need to organize the date, time, duration, and meeting details. With Dola AI, you can make the process easier by describing the meeting using a simple natural language message. First, open Dola AI and make sure your calendar is connected. Before scheduling the meeting, decide who needs to attend, what the meeting is about, and when you want it to take place. You can then send Dola a message such as, schedule a team meeting with the marketing team tomorrow at 11 a.m. for 1 hour. Dola can use the information you provide to prepare the calendar event. When scheduling a team meeting, include as much useful information as possible. You can mention the meeting title, date, starting time, duration, and participants if supported by your setup. For example, you could say, create a project planning meeting for Monday at 2 p.m. for 45 minutes. Keeping the instruction clear makes it easier to create the correct event. After Dola prepares the meeting, review all the details carefully. Check the date, time, duration, calendar, and participant information before confirming anything. If you need to change the schedule, you can update the event. For example, you might say, move the project meeting to 3 p.m. After making changes, review the updated event again. For recurring team meetings, you can also specify a repeating schedule when supported. For example, you could request a meeting every Monday at 10 a.m. This can save time when your team has regular weekly meetings. It's also important to consider different time zones if team members work from different locations. Make sure everyone understands the meeting time in their local time zone. After creating the event, check your connected calendar to confirm that the meeting appears correctly. If your workflow includes invitations or notifications, verify that those are also handled as expected.